At 4'10", I don't have much other choice than to always be looking up. Thank you for joining me here today. My name is Nicole Thompson. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the value of interpretation. If you're watching on the live broadcast, please say hello. I want to say hi back to you. And if you're watching on the replay, please hashtag replay so I know you were here. Now, I haven't always been so wildly optimistic, but it is a skill that I've been working on embracing most recently. Our point of view is what makes each and every one of us so unique. Every piece of information that we take in is then subject to our interpretation of that information. So how I see something may not necessarily be how you see it, but that's what brings the value to it. When you take in a piece of information and mull it over for a little bit, what you give back to the world now has the value of your interpretation added to it and your perspective. It's what makes us what we're good at. It's our talents, our abilities, and what makes us stand out from the crowd. When you fill out a job application, most of the time, they're going to want you to fill in your skill set, your abilities, and you want to showcase the best of your abilities that are going to bring the most value to the job position that you're applying for. So, for example, if you're applying for a secretarial position, you're probably not going to showcase that you can drive a forklift. You're going to want to showcase and shine the spotlight on your mega fast typing speeds, your flair for filing, or your killer organizational skills. But what is it about your organizational skills that makes them so killer? What interpretation have you taken on the art of organization that brings the most value to the job position over your competitors? It's your perspective of how to organize something that brings the value. So the next time you think you have nothing of value to add, take a minute or two to kind of assess your abilities and skills that you've put your own personal spin on. Our expertise is a lot like the nose on our face. It's always right there in front of us, but most of the time we look right past it. So whatever your interpretation of something is, know that it's never wrong. It's just yours. For more business tips and mindset mastery advice, please check out my new blog at NicoleThompsonNow.com. I'm going to pop that link into the comments section for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a share. Thank you so much for watching today. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.